Hey YouTubers, what's up? I'm on US 6 right now, heading eastbound. I'm going on a ride. I'm gonna be going up north, up the Hudson Valley area on Route 9, over to and swing over to the 9D. So before I do all that, I'm heading over to the Grand Central Deli. They got all kinds of food there, it's sort of gourmet and stuff like that. Really good stuff. So I'm gonna fuel up my stomach and then head out to the ride. And yep, here we go. We're almost there. It's just a little bit up ahead there, and I'm gonna pull in here. There it is, right on my left side. Oh, gotta wait for the car. Alright, should I go in that spot? Maybe not. Yeah, I think this is a better spot. I'm gonna go here to the left. Keep my bike safe away from the cars. You never know, they might ding your bike with the door, so I'm just gonna park it right here. I'm pretty far from them if they have to go in reverse. Hey, what's up, fans? I'm up here on Route 6, heading over towards Bear Mountain right now, and take the 6D up north. Right now I did a stop over here at the Grand Central Deli. Really nice deli to eat at, have lunch. Usually in the summertime, they have a nice backyard right over here where the truck is, but you know, we're still in cold weather, so it's not set up yet. But great spot to come by. I'll put the address and link into the video, and come up and try them if you're up in this area here. Actually, I don't even know what it's called up here, but I'll put that down there at the bottom. All right, talk to you soon. Then I feel much better now. I got some fuel in me. Now I can go on my ride, and you know. So I'll catch you on the next location. Peace out.